Hey guys, we're going to do some real fundamental drills today to build endurance in your shoulders, get you relaxing those shoulders, and just really good cardio drills if you're trying to be a competitor. Like we've been in here training for fights this morning with our boxers, and these are drills that we've done forever, but you'll see a little bit of an evolution on them. They're basics, and again, they're drills to kind of build you up, right? So we did this 30-second intervals earlier. We're going to just do 10, 10, and 10 for this set and the next set. So go 10 straights. So he's throwing straights. He's going to step in and roll uppercuts. Then he's going hooks. And we're machine gunning. That's what I like to call it, right? That's good. Where you're just continuous. Jab, cross, jab, cross, jab, cross, jab, cross. Up, 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 up. Hook, 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 hook. Right? You're just continuously going through that, just firing. Right? So it will wear you out. We did it for 3 minutes earlier. Sometimes we do it for 10 and 10. That's just an illustration, okay? So now here's what we'll do. We're going to go 10 and 10 straights and uppercuts. We like to do this one on the mitts. You could obviously do it on the bags, but this is a staple and a basic. 10 straights. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. Okay? He's relaxing his shoulders and rolling them, right? And look how my body's turning too, right? It's just you want to be dug into the floor, pumping, moving those hips, rolling those shoulders on those uppercuts, right? And again, if you keep two super tense shoulders this whole time, you will wear out, all right? Now, this one that we did not do forever, but it's a good one. It's a broken rhythm one. It's going to be straight up, same side. So that means you're going to do jab, uppercut, cross up. Good. Okay, so that's what we call broken rhythm, meaning you throw 2 punches on the same side. Now we're going to do another in and out drill, right? Like when we were on the bag a second ago. This is out when we step in, forehead on the bag, shoeshine to uppercuts, and we can step out a little bit for the hook so we could stay in. Okay. With this one, we're going to go 4 straights, 4 ups, jab, cross, hook, cross. Okay. Again, we're drilling. We could add angles to this and work strategy into it, but he's just going to move in and out, and then he'll exit after the last punch. So 4 straights, 1, 2, 3, 4 uppercuts, jab, cross, hook, cross, and he's out. Sometimes we'll step on the hook there, 4 straights, 4 ups, step on the hook, right? So, you know, good option there, and again, you can make it as strategic as you want where, you know, after the uppercuts, you zone and angle out and then throw the jab, cross, stepping hook and finish with the 2. Right, you could split it up in some different ways to make it more realistic. All right, so another just really basic one we're going to do is it's a newer one. We're going to do jab, cross, hook, cross again, which is the first drill I teach anybody, right? And then he's going to block on the body here. We're going to same side return 5 uppercuts, 3, 4, 5. We're going to roll out, cross, hook, cross, right? So jab, cross, hook, cross. Body block, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. He's out. Good. You saw he got out there at the end, so that one, again, a little more realistic. Maybe not super realistic to roll 5 uppercuts in a row on a guy, but we were in here earlier working to some shadow boxing drills where we're doing 3 to the body, boom, coming over the top to the head. So there is some applicability there to add to your game. Again, these are like warm-ups we do, drills for building up cardio, endurance, stuff like that, but they are basics. They are connected to the fundamentals and tenets of boxing. So that's some good beginner drills for you guys to be working on. We do those all the time. All right? Thanks for watching.